got a shipment in from a Unique Commodities. She was actually sending me this as a replacement, which is the Let It Burn bath bomb because the original did not perform well. I didn't tell her about it so that she could send me another free one, which I appreciate. I just let her know that the demo wasn't going to be made because it didn't it wasn't up to par with her normal bath bombs, and I didn't want people to think that that's what her bath bombs performed like. And I showed her what it was, and she's like, "Oh no, let me send you another one because that should not have acted that way." So this is actually a whole free shipment that she sent me. They are oopsie bath bombs other than this one. My favorite, Truly Grape, has a new shape. It's beautiful. It's shimmery. It smells delicious. And I can't see the oopsie in it other than there's a little crack in there. I don't know if maybe it's performance like I've mentioned before with other oopsies, but I love it. I just demoed this one the other day and it was gorgeous and I loved it. And so I'm going to demo it again. This one's Forever Thankful. And again, an oopsie. Sometimes she just marks some oopsies if they're a little crumbly or whatever. And then finally there was just this little... It is a bubble bar. And she said I can expect a lot of bubbles from this. Thank you so much, Rhonda, for the amazing shipment of the Oopsie bath bombs. I really appreciate it. Guys, don't forget, if you are looking to place an order from Unique Commodities, use my code InkyMac10 for 10% off. That's all for Unique Commodities.